Tohoom's commercial intelligence management drives operational excellence by digitally optimizing business processes, collaboration, and analytics for original equipment suppliers. Gain valuable insight into volume variation and part price changes to enhance communication and collaboration across your enterprise. Strategically set targets based on scheduled sourcing decisions and manage performance against targets in real time with comprehensive win-loss analysis. Tohoom's commercial intelligence management streamlines sales effectiveness while reducing operating costs by providing a holistic, easy-to-manage view of OEM relationships. And with Tohoom's side panel and Microsoft Outlook, you can seamlessly integrate crucial email and meeting information in real time. Easily manage commercial issues stemming from market conditions, inflationary pressures, and consumer behavior with a single source of truth across sales, finance, and supply chain management. Integrated analytics transform raw data into real-time business insights, providing a nuanced understanding of critical areas for informed decision-making. Optimize your operations with Tohoom's commercial intelligence management for Salesforce.